Hello everyone, my name is Marie with Vienna Care, and in today's video we'll have a closer look at the Dr. Drawing Stem Cell Skin Booster. So we'll go over what this product does, how to use it, and we'll also have a look at a procedure performed by Saige Wellington. She will be using the Stem Cell Skin Booster together with the Dr. Pen. Let's start by having a look at what the Stem Cell Skin Booster is. The Dr. Drawing Stem Cell Skin Booster is an MTS complex which contains stem cells. When using this product, you'll notice fast rejuvenation, brightening and moisturizing of the skin. Now, how does this actually work? The stem cells included in this product promote the natural production of elastin and collagen. Not only that, it also improves the skin tone, the resilience, it makes the skin more flexible and removes sagging. During the clinical trials of the Dr. Drawing Stem Cell Skin Booster, they discovered that this product eliminates the fine lines and also decreases the depth of the wrinkles. After using this product, you'll notice that the complexion of your skin evens out and you'll have a natural glow of a healthy looking skin. Okay, so now let's have a look at all the benefits of using the Stem Cell Skin Booster. First of all, it helps in the correction of hyperpigmentation, it battles enlarged pores, evens out the skin tone, helps with skin brightening, moisturizes dry and dull skin. This is a procedure with very low invasiveness. It can also be combined with other treatments, and many people who have used this product say that it also helps with battling stretch marks. Now let's talk about how to use this product. You can start by cleansing your face using lukewarm water and apply a toner to prep your skin. It is highly recommended to use an MTS device instead of using your hands, as an MTS device like the Dr. Pen creates lots of micro holes into your skin, which allow the skin booster to fully absorb, and this is 40 times more efficient than using just your hands. Finish off your routine with a mask pack and a regeneration cream. Alternatively, you can also use a 0.25mm needle to inject the skin booster into your skin. If you are looking to do a more extensive skincare routine, you can combine this product with the other products of the Dr. Drawing line, like the ampoules or the BB Glow. So now we'll have a quick look at what's inside this box. So when you open it up, the first thing you'll find is an instruction manual, and this has instructions in both English and Korean. Then you can see it has 10 different vials and 2 elastomer tubes. Now, let's have a look at a procedure performed by Saige. But before we do that, make sure to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can be the first one to find out when we post new and exciting content.
Hi there and welcome. I'm Saige Wellington for Vienna Care, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a microneedling session using the Dr. Pen Auto Microneedling System and the Stem Cell Skin Booster. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so with microneedling, you want to work in sections on your face just so the stem cell skin booster does not dry up. You want a nice slip to your skin, so make sure you work in segments in different sections. I think that I'm going to be starting on my forehead, and I have my ampoule that I use for my hyaluronic pen, but I'm going to be using it to suck up the stem cell skin booster and then push the product onto my face. So I'm just putting the tip into the liquid, and then I'm gonna pull up some of the skin booster, and you can set that aside. Okay, so let's finally begin with our microneedling. So I have the stem cell here, and I'm just gonna put that all over the forehead. Make sure it's nice and wet in the area that you are going to be microneedling. I'm gonna hold this down for 2 seconds, and we can start on our procedure. So you just want to make sure that you're not pressing hard at all. You don't need much pressure when you are microneedling. and I just like to work in circular motions. I want to state again that I am at the depth 0.25, which is very shallow. I haven't quite worked my way up to really deep depths quite yet, but 0.25 does not hurt at all. And at any point, if you feel like you need more slip or more product, just go right ahead and add that to your face. So I'm just using little circular motions all over the area that has the skin booster on it. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit more product and then continue on with microneedling on my forehead. Okay, so I just finished with my forehead. You may be able to tell that is a little bit red. I did get one little pinpoint bleeding, which is perfectly fine. You don't have to bleed when you are microneedling, but it is okay if you do. You usually will bleed at the deeper depths, but at 0.25, it's pretty shallow and doesn't really cause too much bleeding, just a little bit of redness, but that is how you know that it is working. Okay, so I just applied the Stem Cell Skin Booster to my cheek and under eye area. And I'm gonna continue from where I left off by my forehead and bring it down. Honestly, this feels really good. It's very soothing. So if you still are wondering why microneedling when using serums and skincare, microneedling is just a more efficient way to get serums and skin boosters into your skin because it literally creates tiny micro punctures, and when your skin is healing, that's when it creates the elastin and collagen to help repair and boost your skin. And that's when you will see a lot brighter, less dull looking skin. You may also experience your wrinkles or fine lines diminishing along with large pores that will be shrinking as well. So overall, it is a great way to take care of your skin. And you want to let time to heal in between procedures. I'd say about once a month until you start seeing your skin be the way that you want. Go very gentle around the eye and definitely don't go too close to under your eye. But I want to focus on that hollow part. Okay, so I'm just going to be adding more skin booster and finishing off the upper part of my cheek, and then we will finish the lower half of my face and then move on to this side. I'm going over the apples of my cheeks really well too, because I feel like that is where I have the largest pores on my face. So this is the bottom part of my face on the left side. Okay, so I have now finished my forehead and then the entire left side of my face. So this is the treated side, a little bit red. And then this is the not treated side. So you can see it does cause a little bit of redness and slightly bleeding, but that's how you know that the product is working. And honestly, you guys, it does not hurt much at all at the depth that I'm using. It actually feels really good and soothing. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply serum and stem cell skin booster to this part, and then we will do the bottom and finish off with the chin. This feels really good. Well, it makes little punctures in your skin and then your skin heals. Okay, so I just finished microneedling my entire face, and this is what we are looking like. A little red, but super glowy, so you know it is going to be worth the pain and the redness and bleeding, because we are putting all those stem cells and good nutrients into our skin by using the Dr. Pen, which is again 40 times more efficient than if you were to just put the skin booster on top of your face. So now what I'm going to do is take a little bit left that I have of the skin booster and rub that into my face. So I'm just going to press in just like you would with any serum. Especially freshly right after microneedling, you want to make sure that all that good stuff from the skin booster is getting into your skin. So I am nice and lathered here. So before I go, the last thing that I want to do is put on a sheet mask. This is also from Vienna Care. So this sheet mask is the green tea essence mask with antioxidants. So applying a sheet mask after you micro needle your face will definitely help calm it and soothe down any irritation that your skin may be feeling at the moment. So before I put this on my face, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys found something informative or helpful from this video. And if you would like to see more updates or future microneedling sessions, you can go ahead to my channel, which is called Saige Wellington. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the sheet mask. And this immediately feels so good. And this is also filled with nutrients and hydration. And oh my gosh, it feels so good right after that microneedling session. Well, again, thank you for watching. I'm going to go relax and enjoy the rest of my night with my sheet mask on. And I hope you guys liked the video. And I want to say, I hope everyone has a great night, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Well, I hope this was useful and you learned something new. If you liked this video or if you have any questions, let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell because we post exciting content on a weekly basis. Hope to see you next time. Bye!